All right, so this is a division lesson that is using repeated subtraction to divide larger numbers. So when we look at a division problem, we're telling ourselves that this first number here is how many groups we have. So basically we have 5 groups, and we have 946 items that we need to divide equally into those 5 groups. So our goal is to try to take out or put large groups, divide large groups into each of those 5. So we've encouraged students to start with, if 100 works, if I can take and put 100 in each of those 5 groups, I'm going to try that. So that would be 500. So in my mind, I'm thinking I have 5 different groups, and I've just given each of those groups 100. When I do that, I now end up subtracting 500 and ending up with 446 items left that I need to divide evenly in the 5 groups. I can't subtract 100 more and put 100 more in each group because I don't have 500 more. So I'm going to be thinking about numbers in the tens so I can use mental math. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 in each group, and so on. It makes the most sense to subtract or put 80 in each of those 5 groups. So if I divide 446 and put 80 in each of those 5 groups, that would be 400. And if I subtract those 400, now I have 46 things left that I need to divide evenly into my 5 groups. And using just our basic math facts, I know that if I put 9 in each of those 5 groups, that would end up with 45. And if I subtract those 45, I end up with 1. Now to figure out my answer, I think, well, the first time I put 100 in each of those 5 groups, the next time I put 80 in each of those 5 groups, and the last time I put 9 in each of those 5 groups. Adding up those, I end up with 189 in each group, and I have 1 left over as my remainder. So we took 946 items and put them evenly into 5 groups, and each group would end up with 189 in them, and there is 1 left over as our remainder.